Hi, this is for Paul Brighton. He was asking about how to do the risk reward Fibo for PRT. So I'll show you. Let's share a screen and I'll show you how to do it. Right, right, here we are. Risk reward Fibo here. So this is it in place. How to do it? Right, we'll clear everything off. I'll show you how to do it. First of all, you want to go up to the Fibonacci tool, like so, up here, and bring the Fibonacci tool and just draw anything you want in there, the Fibos. Right-click it, so you can configure the retracements, and you'll come up with a box like so. Hit the little plus button, and you can have that. We'll call it PB1 for Paul Brighton. PB1, add. And now what we'll do, we'll start configuring this Fibo tool. So what we're looking for here is we want the color roller, unclick all the lines the same. Click your Fibo tool, let's have the resistance like so, and that's 100%. And then we'll do the 200% like so. So you've got a support and a resistance, or a risk and a reward. Uncheck all these boxes like so. And now you can make a full line here. So you've got a full line. You've got the data center line here, the 100 and the 200. All you need to do now is hit a color zone, and then you can mark that like so. Support, resistance. You can either put display price in, or percentage, or have absolutely nothing. It doesn't really matter. It's up to you what you want to do. Let's just put a little note in there, and that's your Fibo tool. And we'll just save it. Boom. And then that's your tool. So here we are. Click it once, and then you can move it up and down as you wish. The Fibo tool will appear in your menu up here. If I just get rid of this by clicking the dusty bin, and if I now click the Fibo tool, I can put it on a line that I want, and up and down. This is the risk, this is the reward, and that's it. Simple risk reward tool. Nice simple Fibo, and I hope that was clear for you, and something you can do for yourself.